Let me introduce the Weather Lab Moodle class, Geography 105 Lab online course. This is the face page. We start with the course syllabus, which describe the content of the course and the grading policies and the examination date. Then we have a chat room which will give instructor and students meet online during the office hour. Other than the chat room, we have a Blackboard collaborate session, which is more or less like a Skype. You can communicate between by voice and pictures between the students and the instructor. And then I give a quiz one. This is the quiz, what it looks like. Okay, we are starting with the identify different kind of the cloud from the color photos or the weather maps. Interpretation of the weather maps, and we have a different kind of weather maps. That's the example of the quiz. Then we have weekly assignment. Week one is try to identify cloud types. Week one cloud types. Please print the unlabeled cloud types file. All the file is written in color, in red color. So when you see the red color, that's represent a file. You can click the file and choose the different kind of the clouds. And here is the answer, the key to that cloud. CI, cirrus cloud, zero cumulus, zero stratus, and halo. And auto cumulus, auto stratus, and cumulus, humulus, all the different type of cloud. So what you should do is just open this file and print as a JPEG file on your desktop, and then label the cloud type as the key shows, and then submit to the Moodle class site. Please do not submit by email. No credit will be given if you submit to the instructor by email. Then we read the clouds, classification, and the precipitation. This is lecture, clouds and precipitation. You can read over this lecture note. I mentioned in order to have the clouds, the air parcel has to rise and reach the condensation, and there are four major forces that we call uplifting forces that will make air parcel rises, or will make the air parcel rise. So those are four forces. If you click them, explain there. And here we have a website, YouTube website, talking about cloud. Just give you an example. Okay, that's we complete the week 1 cloud types exercise. Week 2 is the atmospheric layers. You click here and click the file name. Any color, letters, or short phrase shows the file. This is the table you will plot the data there. And we have a major sounding data. Click Save As first, and then Save, and then click Open. You can see this is the Excel showing the altitude, surface, what is air temperature, and a 10 kilometer height, what is the air temperature. Plot this air temperature, 20 kilometer, 48, 55. Okay, plus this data on the table diagram there, and then save as a JPEG file, submit to the Moodle class site, and you can study the different atmospheric layer or air layer 3. Okay, different classification of the air layer by the vertical distribution of temperature. Yes, I explain the air layer file. You can read over these descriptions. Okay, that's week 2 exercise as an example. Then after 15 week, we have the 15 week is California weather. And here I ask you to draw the story diagram. I did not label here, but you can look at the key to label each significant part, and then save as a JPEG and submit to the Moodle site. Here I have some information for you to read over. You can use Ctrl+ to enlarge the map. Ctrl+, so you can read over those descriptions. Those are the descriptions. Okay, Another part is we have practice questions. Here is the week 1 practice question. Week 2 practice question for the layers. And let me just give an example for the front weather. See what practice question looks like. Okay. If it's too big, you can put control minus to bring the question to the manageable size, so you can answer those questions. Remember to press the control minus to shrink the screen, control plus to enlarge the screen. Okay, let's look at the California weather, land and sea breeze, thunderstorm, tornado, and hurricane. Here shows California weather. We have a stiff and kid. We already discussed that, so maybe we should use other here as an example. Here we are talking about the marine layer, trade wind, inversion, and stratus, and we have a vertical, this kind of diagram to explain why there is an inversion. The upper air from the equator sinks, and the lower air is cool marine layer. It's from ocean. So the air sinks, compression and heating generate the inversion layer. This is a brief introduction about the Moodle weather online lab classes.